Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 6th, 2021. We are going to give you all an update price prediction in Hedera Hashgraph. We're going to talk about this particular cryptocurrency today because I wanted to show you all what I am expecting this market to go without the confusion. So make sure you guys keep it locked in here with me. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel to ensure that you are updated on our price prediction. You guys can see from our chart, this is what we do. We anticipate where price is going to go so that we can get in position and profit the simple way, the easy way. I'm going to show you right now. So you guys can see on our last video that we did in HBAR, you guys can see what's on September the 18th. Now that was during our lookout live stream session. I was telling everyone then, hey, be prepared for the price to go down in HBAR. And look at what happened. The market did in fact go down. We even identified two areas to where we was looking for the market to get propped up. First area was right there around 35 cents. Second area was on this ascending line. And you guys can see for the most part, the market really enjoys this ascending line. We're going to use that going forward in our price analysis as to where price is going to go. So check this out. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. You guys can see profitability of around 18% was had maybe 2 days into us during our video. Market came all the way down here to that ascending line on September the 22nd, which is around 29.64% profitability. So either way it go, we was able to eat off the market move. This is what we're here. This is why we're here. This is what we do. We make sure that we get in position and analyze where price is going to go so that we can profit and make this bread. So now let me take this away because you guys are worried about where the market's going to go first in HBAR. So let's try to go ahead and talk about that now because we want to know if the price is going to rebound. You guys can see that we really haven't been doing too much. Price been trading between 30 cents to 45 cents and that's about it. Can we get a movement, at least higher price, lower price? It really doesn't matter. We just want to see the market go somewhere so that we can get in position and dominate. So check this out. First thing I'm going to do is seeing how this price has been following this ascending line, we're going to extend it out further because we're going to see if the market is going to continue to trade on this ascending line or are we going to break it to the downside. That's going to be the crust of this video. We want to see if the price in HBAR is going to continue to go up and follow this trend, or are we going to break it and go down? We really need to pay attention to that. So let me go ahead and get rid of this here. And then we're going to look at a different time frame to see what type of images we get there. Right? You guys can see here that this is the 2-day time frame into the market in HBAR, and currently over the last 4 2-day price bars, starting with this one, the market is weak. You guys probably don't want to hear that though, do you? No, you guys want to hear all the rainbows and cupcakes and everything's going to shoot up to the moon and make us all filthy rich, don't you? Well, that's not always the case. This market right now, over the last 8 days, has been trending lower. People have been selling the market in an HBAR. It is what it is. So let's see what we got on the 3-day then. Maybe we got the buyers coming in on a 3-day time frame. Nope, not yet. Weakness and sellers are still here into the market in HBAR, and it started right here on October the 31st. All the way into November the 6th. We're still seeing the sellers here. So we're not seeing the ability of the market in HBAR to continue to trend alongside this ascending line. That's going to be a big problem for us to see the market go up. 5-day time frame, again, still some weakness here. It looks to the point to where the weakness is not gonna, it's gonna break this ascending line to the downside. Weekly time frame. We got 1 day and 7 hours left and still look at the price bars. Still looks weak. Now, not only are we seeing the weakness here in the market in HBAR, but let's take a look at this, right? For some reason, this market in HBAR cannot break 43 cents. Now, what could cause that? Majority of the trading in HBAR has been happening below 43 cents. The only way that can happen is there's too many sellers above 43 cents, meaning that every time someone tries to break that price above 43 cents, here comes another wall of selling to keep the price down. So again, guess what? Until we see this price in HBAR break above 43 cents, we're going to have to play the weakness. We're going to have to look for the price to continue to give us some weakness. Now, it doesn't have to be extremely weak, but we're not looking for it to go up, pretty much is what I'm saying. We need to continue to look for this price to trade sideways at best, or we can see the price go lower, right? So check this out. This is the monthly time frame, and you guys can see over the last couple of months, we've definitely seen sellers here. Even right here for the month of September, sellers came in. There was enough demand coming into the space in HBAR though, so much so that in October, we were still able to see the market close higher than the previous month's close. But again, just by us seeing the market close off of the highs in October tells us again that sellers are still present. They're still in the way. I can't tell you enough that this market in HBAR is not going to go up until we get these sellers out the way. They got to move in order for us to break above 43 cents. And right now, they're still here. So what I'm going to do on this particular video, we're going to play the weakness into the market in HBAR. Now we're going to try to pinpoint how low the price can go then, right? We have to gauge where the weakness can stop and we can actually see the market be supported and then price start lifting up. That's what we want to see. So let's check this out. Let's see if we can do it. All right. So let's play this short side. We're going to play the weakness into the market in HBAR, right? And we're going to continue to play that until we see this price either break above 43, 44 cents, give or take. Now, we got that. So how low do you think the price can go in HBAR then? 36, 34, 32? About 2 cents increments, right? We could kind of see that by looking at this price chart. Right there. That's a pretty good area to see the market try to come towards. 35 cents. I mean, can you guys see that? Because let me show it to you. You guys can see here how the market in HBAR historically has found this area to be support. We saw the price bounce for there, move up from 35 cents. And even back here during May time frame, it was acting as restriction. So that would be our first spot for us to try to eat off the market in this movement to the downside in HBAR, 35 cents. Cool. Next area would be down here towards 32, maybe 33 cents. Okay. That's the second area, which is around 12.5% movement to the downside. So we have 35 cents, 33 cents, no lower than this area right here though. Okay, 30 cents. Now, I'm not telling you that the price is going to go down to 30 cents, but if the weakness continues to be injected into the market, then it becomes more feasible for us to see the price hit 30 cents. So I've given us 3 price targets: 35 first, 33 second, and then 30 cents third. Those 3 levels is where I'm looking for the price to prop up. Okay, you might see something totally different, which is cool, which is fine. This is why I keep the comment section open, so you all can drop me your price predictions in the cryptocurrency space, right? So now, when I switch this back over to the daily time frame, you guys can still see though that the market, in terms of us playing this weakness, is going to break the trend. So be prepared for that. We're going to break that ascending line to the downside in HBAR, which means that we won't expect the price to go up until we create another ascending line trend. Until that time, we got to be in position and expect the market to pretty much give us this, right? Give us this right here. Trade just like that until we're able to break out above 44 cents. All right, so this is it. I'm done. We're going to continue to play the weakness here into the market in HBAR. I've given you all 3 price targets: 35, 33, and 30 cents. Now, as we continue to see the market trade in the long term, definitely, and the weakness continues, we can definitely see this market go down to 30 cents. I'm not speaking that into an existence yet, but I just want to put it on your radar so you guys won't be caught off guard or surprised and say that nobody told us that the market was going to fall 20% in HBAR. All right, so now it's your turn. I've called the market. This is my expectation as to where I'm looking for the price to go in HBAR. Hit me up. Let me know your price prediction as to where the price is going to be in the next 3 weeks for HBAR. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.